shine and tear it off. We set it off and get it off and let it off and set the party off. We set it off, time to get it off, time to let it off, shine and tear it off. We set it off and get it off and let it off and set the party off. We set it off and get it off and let it off and set the party off. We set it off and get it off and let it off and set the party off. We set it off and get it off. We set it off and get it off. We set it off. We set it off and let it off and set the party off.
Not allowed to block a bike lane, man. You're not allowed to block a bike lane. You're breaking the law you're here to enforce. You're parking illegally and endangering the public.
We pop off the party mode and kick it.
You're a public servant who's supposed to protect the public. And yet here you are endangering that same public, breaking state law and local ordinance. You are not responding to an emergency call. You do not enjoy any additional rights over a civilian vehicle operator. My fucking taxes pay your salary, and yet here you are endangering me on a public roadway. Get the fuck out of the bike lane. You can park in a legal spot and walk from that spot like someone who's not too lazy to do their job within the bounds of the law. Move your fucking vehicle to a legal parking spot. Jesus fucking Christ, just the barest sense of professionalism.